Okay, here we're looking at the Spark Retention Radar Customer Explorer, and you'll see it starts off with a stack ranked list of your customers according to risk. Now, the riskiest customer, or the one that is most likely to churn at the next renewal period, is at the top. And if you were to reverse sort here, you can see the safest customers at the top. You can sort by any column of data that we're showing here. You can also switch between tabs and see customers who have churned in addition to those who are active. Now, if you're interested in getting more information, deep diving into the 360-degree view of the customer, just click on a customer and you'll see their full profile page. Now, you'll note that the profile page contains any of the data that you've sent in addition to any of the data that we're collecting through a connected API, such as Google Analytics Premium, Omniture, or Mixpanel. So all of the actions that this customer has taken are logged here. See, this customer has done mostly use of one feature called the budget tracker. And you can also see contract value and the calculated risk factors, success and risk factors, as they apply to this particular customer record. Now, you'll also find values like customer lifetime value, which is our prediction of how much this customer will be worth out into the future given their risk profile. Now, one really neat thing about the Customer Explorer is that you can search very quickly through your customer base. So if I wanted to search by customer name, let's see, I want to find customers who match Wit star. So that star implies any character that matches after Wit. And you can see I have a number of customers who've matched that field. Now you can also search by any of the data that you have in the custom fields. So let's say I want to find customers by sales channel. I'll just pop in the field that I have in the data set, sales channel direct, and I've just come up with a list of all of the customers who have come in via that channel. So any bit of data that's in the customer record you can search on. You can also slice and dice the customer list by segment. So let's look at our list of segments. You can see there are a number of test segments in here. So it's showing default segments that come out of the box and also segments that you create. We'll cover creating segments in the segment builder in another video. Here you can see all of the customers who then match this particular segment, and we can flip very quickly between the segments. Now, if you have a segment that you're looking at and you want to export the data, this feature is a little bit hidden, but over here there's a rocket and you can click download, and the list of all the customers along with their IDs and any data that we have about them will then show up in the data tab under exports. So you can see a number of exports that I've made here, including the one that I just made, and you can download that CSV, which then contains all of the customer data that you might be interested in. So that's the Customer Explorer. There are a lot of little niceties and neat things about it that you're welcome to dive into and explore. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.